Hey, welcome back again, community. I'm going to talk about an interesting subject today. So you guys know I have Worthy bonds. You know that I've been getting them slowly, one a day, two a day, whatever the case may be. I've decided to sell all my Worthy bonds. The reason I'm doing that is the economy is kind of hurting right now because of coronavirus. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a big thing right now. But because it's hurting because of that, and because Worthy, it gives loans to small businesses based on collateral. But in my opinion, those businesses are hurting more than the large businesses. They're struggling. Every small business owner I know, and maybe you do as well, if you do, comment below to show support for them. But if you do know any small business owners, you know then that these small business owners are hurting, and these programs that are set up for them, they're not exactly working. So they're going to go to places like Worthy Bond to get money. So those are the places that are going to have the hardest time paying those loans. And you're loaning your money to Worthy at this time right now to loan those companies money with a lower chance or a lower possibility of getting paid back. So the risk is elevated, but Worthy's not paying an elevated interest. They're still paying me 5% interest they've been paying us all along. So for me, it's a lot of risk to take on for a 5% yield, especially right now where the stock market is going down. You see these massive drops in the market. That creates an opportunity for you and me to buy a ton of stocks at a cheaper price. So here are these companies that are massive that I can now buy for a cheaper price, and their yields are a lot of the time over 5% now. For me, my money sitting in Worthy right now really didn't make a lot of sense for me, and I was able to, I think, put it more to work in the stock market. One major plus for Worthy right now is they did decide to make the interest, instead of it just compounding normally, you get a new bond, it compounds, you get paid the 5% of that new bond, so you're compounding. Now you get paid on the compounding interest daily, which is pretty nice. It's a good feature. So, I mean, that's one thing that they did. It helps a lot if you have a lot of money with Worthy. If you have a lot of money with Worthy, then you're going to be able to compound and make a lot more money. But if you don't have a significant amount of money, basically that's negligible for you. It doesn't really do much. It's like a nice little party gift, but it doesn't really do much. So it's nice, but it doesn't really work for small-time investors like us. I personally feel like you'll get a better return. Now, I'm not a financial expert. I just do this so I can someday have, financial freedom. Maybe I could retire and spend time with my family. Maybe, get out of the rat race. That'd be cool, right? And so I do it for that. But if I think personally you or anyone would have a better chance of making more money in the markets right now with these depressed stock prices. And that's why I'm going that route. And let me know what you guys are going to do. It's interesting to see or hear what you guys have to say about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. I really appreciate the support from the community. And I'll talk to you guys next time. See ya.